In this day and age, there seems to be an app for everything. And with these Mercury engines, there's actually this Vessel View Mobile app. You link it into your smart craft gauges, and basically what it shows you is exactly what's going on with the engine, including a few extra things that a smart craft doesn't show you. We're just sitting here at idle. I'm going 600 RPMs. If you just filled up your boat, you can go into the fuel feature, and you can basically click in how much fuel you just added. There's 27 gallons left in this specific boat right here. And then it'll tell you things like distance to empty. It'll also tell you based on how fast you're running, time to empty. So if you're running around and want to make sure that basically you're going to have enough gas and you want to fish for another hour, things like that will compute. The next thing that it's going to do that I think is really important for all anglers and for all boaters is it's going to store observed faults. If there were any faults on your engine, obviously there's none on this one, but if you have an alarm that goes off, it's going to send you notifications to show you what's going on with your engine. Basically, it has a maintenance log. We're in Keith Cavias's boat. Shocker. Engine maintenance is due now. There's some things that he obviously needs to get done. Just typical deals. Total engine hours, things that need to be checked on, and then you can also log the maintenance and make sure that that engine's running tip-top shape all year long. Keith looks like he needs to go in and get something done. One of the things I really like in this app is you can go into the preferred dealer. You can basically punch in where you're at. We're real close to Appleton, Wisconsin, so we'll punch in the zip code right there. And it's going to find all the closest dealers that will be able to help you out with any issues, with any maintenance things to keep your boat up to date. You click on them, you can call right from the app. So not only does this Mercury Vessel View app show you exactly what's going on with your engine, give you details while you're running, but it tells you what you need to do to keep that Mercury engine running in tip-top shape all year long.